In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the background color of your Shopify store with a simple and easy guide. Whether you want to give your site a fresh look or better align it with your brand's colors, tweaking the background color is a fantastic way to start. So, let's dive right in and make your Shopify store more visually appealing in just a few steps. To begin with, open up your Shopify admin panel and head straight to the site editor. This is where all the magic happens. On your left-hand sidebar, you will notice a small gear icon. This represents the theme settings, so go ahead and click on it. This is the area where you can access all the customizable features of your theme. Now, it's important to note that the theme settings might look a bit different depending on the particular theme you have chosen for your store. But don't worry, they all follow a pretty similar structure. What you're looking for is an option related to background or general colors. Once you've found that, click on it to open up the color options. At this point, you should be seeing a variety of options related to your store's color scheme. Typically, the background color will appear as one of the first settings available, since it's a basic yet essential aspect of your site's design. This is your opportunity to experiment a little. You may want to refer to your brand's color scheme if you have one, but you can also opt for something new and eye-catching. Once you've decided on a color, simply select it. The editor will immediately reflect this change, showing you how it looks in real time. It's a fantastic way to visualize the impact different colors might have, so you can make the best decision for your store's appearance. And that's essentially it. Your Shopify store now has a fresh look thanks to your updated background color. You should see the change take effect on your website instantly. This quick modification can significantly improve the user experience by making your store more visually engaging and aligned with the persona you're trying to project. Just a small tip: always preview your changes before finalizing them. This ensures everything looks exactly the way you envision it, without any surprises. And remember, if it doesn't work the first time, you can always go back and adjust the colors until you land on something that feels just right. Thanks for following along, and I hope this tutorial was helpful. By mastering these small yet impactful changes, you'll be well on your way to creating a stunning online storefront. Stay tuned for more tutorials, and happy editing!